Hey guys, welcome back to Mountain Nights. Let's talk about what are the things that one needs to carry in order to protect himself or herself from rain or snow for that matter in the high altitude specifically. Well, according to my experience, one must carry three things. Number one being your umbrella, second is your poncho, third one being your rain sheet or rain cover. So let's talk about umbrella. Well, everybody knows what's the use of umbrella, but when I talk about high altitude, umbrella is very handy, right? Specifically when the camp is already set up, when you have to move from one place to another place within short distances, umbrella is really handy, right? Secondly, when you're trekking, if there are no strong winds, you can always use umbrella to protect yourself from rain and also from snowfall. Now let's talk about poncho. Well, poncho is something that will provide you overall protection from wind, from rain, from snowfall, right? Specifically when there are strong winds going on, a situation where the umbrella cannot be held firmly or the umbrella cannot withstand the force of the wind, the ideal thing to use is your poncho, right? If you are carrying a rucksack, it can also provide you coverage from the same. Now next is your rain sheet. Despite of the fact that you carry umbrella and poncho, you must carry a rain sheet even. Firstly, we never know when it might be handy. It can be used for improvised situations. It can be lended to somebody who's in need due to any circumstances. Somebody might not be having umbrella, or somebody loses his or her umbrella, or the poncho gets torn off or forgotten whatsoever. So these are three things that you must carry, and use it wisely, improvise it, and use it accordingly as per the situation, as per the need. Many times there comes a situation where you need to use poncho as well as umbrella together. For example, if there are a situation where there is no strong wind and your poncho is of a size that is not uh, sufficient to provide coverage to your rucksack because of a heavy rucksack, then you can just wear a poncho. You can put your rucksack on it, on your back, and then you can cover yourself with your umbrella. So you can always adapt accordingly. Provided you have these three things, everything becomes quite easy with respect to protecting yourself from rain and snowfall in high altitude. So I hope this video was useful for you. We'll be back with one more such useful video. Till then, take care. See you soon.